Have you ever tried to AirDrop a file and it just disappears, shows the device, then it vanishes? Or worse, silently ignores your file? Welcome to the AirDrop blues, especially in a busy maker lab with multiple Macs, iPhones, robots, and students. Today I'm going to show you something way better than AirDrop, a drag and drop file transfer system you can build in minutes that works across all your devices, Mac, Windows, Linux, even mobile, and of course Arduino, Uno, Q, Raspberry Pi, etc. And the best part, it runs inside your own network, no Apple dependency, no randomness, no frustration. In our TechieTalksAI Maker Lab, we constantly share files between workstations, student projects, Arduino code, 3D designs, AI models, but AirDrop started failing us, especially between M1, M2, M4 Max. Devices appear and disappear, and sometimes just ignore transfers. So instead of fighting Apple, I asked a simple question: why not build our own AirDrop? So this video is about that. Here it is, TechieTalksAI FileDrop Pro. Drag and drop UI. Here you can drag multiple files. And there is an upload button. And uploaded files can be seen here. Okay, so let me drag and drop a file. This is a 3D design, mydice.htl. See, progress bar is there and uploaded file is there, and other workstations can click here to download. This QR code, when scanned, will get this IP address so that you don't need to type anything. So just drag files, drop, upload, done. And cross-device magic. Now on another Mac, same, on any other machine on the same Wi-Fi, just open the IP and same interface. Drag multiple files at once, no limits, file listing, see all uploaded files instantly. Download button, anyone can download with one click. Why this beats AirDrop? Let's be honest, stability, AirDrop has randomness, this is solid. Speed, AirDrop speed is unpredictable, and this is LAN speed. Multi-device, limited, and this is unlimited. When it comes to the application control, AirDrop is owned by Apple and this application is owned by you. Behind the scenes, this is running on FastAPI, and Docker. So we have the Docker Compose here. Your local network, meaning it is fast, secure, and completely under your control. Imagine this is your setup, Maker Lab with 20 students, robotics competitions, AI workshops, school labs, office file sharing. No more, so AirDrop not working. If you're running a lab, teaching students, or tired of AirDrop drama, this is your solution. I have given the complete Docker setup code instructions in the description. Try it today and tell me, did you just replace AirDrop forever? Comment below, have you faced AirDrop issues like this? And what should I build next for your lab? Please like, share, and subscribe, and join me in TechieTalksAI, where we build real-world tech that actually works. This is Sri helping you turn frustration into innovation. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle-avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.